In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a favicon in Neocities. So if you don't know what that is, it's actually this thing up here. So I'm currently on my site. As you can see, it's like the default one, which has no favicon. And then over here inside Neocities, you can see they do have a favicon, which is basically this logo over here. And we're going to add this as well to our site, and it's going to be a custom one, okay? So to do this, it's actually very simple. First, you're going to have to upload one in here. Now, it's important how big in size your image actually is, because kind of your pixel image ratio should be 16 by 16 or 32 by 32, which is basically kind of the standard approach. So you could go and take any image and go to something like imageresizer.com or whatever you want to use, and it will work. You can select your image. I'm going to pick this one over here, or actually this one, which is the original. I'm going to click on open. And as you can see, it's going to start loading in, and you can then change it. I'm going to go to 32 by 32. Just make sure that, of course, you have entered in the correct one. I'm going to do 32. I'm not going to lock it. That's my mistake. There we go. And then here I have 32 by 32 or 16 by 16. Both will work. Click on export, and you can get your image exported just like this. And you can then get it back onto your computer just like that. Now I'm going to go back to my dashboard, and I'm going to upload it in here. Now it's the easiest to just have it in here for convenience. So I'm going to just click on upload over here, and I'm actually going to select this one and click on open. Now make sure you have a good enough image with a good enough quality. As you can see, mine isn't the best, but it's going to do for this instance. And then you have to rename it. So hover over it, click on rename, and rename it to favicon. Okay, so favicon just like this .png, and click on rename. Of course, it could be anything else as well, but we're just going to do favicon for this tutorial. Then what you have to do here is the following. You simply have to go to your index.html. It's over here. Hover over it, click on edit. And what I usually do is just go directly under head over here, click next to it, press enter, and just in here, I actually put this in. So do, of course, this start and then link, spacebar rel, and then equals icon in quotation marks, and then you have to do href and then equals, and then in here you have to basically put the name of your image. For me, it's favicon.png. Put a slash in front of it, close it with a quotation mark. Again, go to type, so spacebar type, and then you have to do equals image/png, and then close it off. That's all you have to do. You can do this on all of your pages where you want to have your favicon. Click on the save button, and if I actually go and click on view here to view my site, you'll see that it's going to update my favicon instantly, just like that. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.